Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the name of Allah. I am Muhammad Rafiq Patavi, Government Degree College, Latifabad, Hyderabad. Today's my topic is pollution. Chapter number 13 in pollution caused by men and observed by men. Pollution word means pollutant, word means poison. Pollution is poison for the environment. Pollution is an undesirable change in air, land, water, we can say. That may be the physical or chemical or biological, we can say. Physically, chemically, or biologically transmitted materials in air, land, and water is known as a pollution. Harmful substances or products into the environment. Pollution not only damage the environment but damage us also. It causes problems ranging from the lung cancer to green effect. Pollution caused by man and observed by man. Particulate substance that cause pollution. Pollution in past, especially number of human population were less. That's why pollution was less. Means a human increase continuously. The number of human increase, pollution increase. So due to the human population, pollution is increasing day by day because industry is increasing, because vehicles increasing, and deforestation increasing, and number of other organisms they are increasing. Means there is a we can say there is a gas molecules that are the pollutants, is like the sulfur oxides, the nitric oxides, and number of other oxides that are increasing day by day. And other are the particulate contaminated, that is a soot, tobacco, smoke, smoke, fly ash, and cement dust. And other are the type of dust we can say the suspended atmospheres, settling dust, heavy dust particles, and biological molecules that are the viruses, and pet allergies, and bacteria, house dust, metal allergies, molds, spores, and pollen grains. And pollution further classified into two groups. One is the non-material pollution and other one is a material pollution. Non-material and material means pollution that caused due to the any kind of solid particles, any kind of material, that known as a material pollution. Means pollution having do not means any kind of material, is like radiation is not material, is like the sound, noise pollution, that's not means material, these are the waves. That's why we are saying this is the non-material pollution. And material pollution is the air pollution, water pollution, and other one is the land pollution. One by one we will discuss here. First is the radiational pollution. This is a non-material pollution. Radiational pollution is this is a new problem. In past there was no any kind of ozone depletion in atmosphere, and also there is no any kind of ultrasound, x-rays. That's why there was no any kind of pollution. But nowadays these type of materials they are increasing in atmosphere. That's why pollution is increasing. Radiation means there is ultraviolet radiations, ionizing radiations, radioactive isotopes, elements, we can say. Atmospheric explosions, or we can say source of radiations, that is atomic bombs, any bombardments, different type of some isotopic radiations emit gamma radiations that damage the living tissues also. Radioactive pollution, you can see here on the screen, you can say there is a number of things that emitted from the different industries into the atmosphere that cause the radiational pollution also. And here you can say number of other things that are the microwave ovens, ultrasound, x-rays, other things that are. Another non-material pollution is the noise pollution. Noise pollution, we can say the sound pollution. Noise pollution means due to the loudspeakers, due to the number of other vehicles, industries, their sound is increasing into the atmosphere. Means less than 70 decibel sound, that is a normal one. More than 80 decibel sound is the known as a noisy sound. Noisy sound that affect on the human mental capabilities, we can say the physically and mentally both affected by the help of noise effect on your ears, means into the listening abilities also that affected by the noise pollution. And also that effect on, you can see here, there is a effect of noise is irritation, means in sounds you are irritated. Always you have seen the rickshaw drivers, yeah, driver hazrat, you have seen, always they are irritated. Why? Because they are and also you can say the traffic police, they are irritated. And the persons they are working in the noise, they are nervous always. Increase stress, they have number of stress increase in their body. Sleep disturbance, especially if a motorcycle sounds, or we can say the loudspeaker sound is like the other party arrangements around you, you feel how you are disturbed by the help of these this thing, or we can say the noise. It also affect on your blood pressure. Due to the noisy environment, you feel the pressure more than the normal one. You can see few pics are given here. This is a vehicle, yeah, these are the vehicles. And this is a lohar, you can say the iron made, yeah, other person that working on the vehicles also. And loudspeakers, and number of loudspeaker, that may be the fairs, that may be the massages, and that may be the mask, or we can say any other things. And this is a human being, that's an innocent human being, that's means surrounded by number of other polluted sounds, or we can say pollution. Material pollution means pollution that caused by material. One is air pollution. Air pollution means anything that increase in the atmosphere. That may be carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, smoke, dust particles, or other things that are increasing day by day. The main reason of air pollution is human, because human is increasing the vehicles, industries, and decreasing the forest. Decrease in forest, that directly affect on the air pollution, you can say. Particulates are, that is a carbon dioxide, smoke, dust particles, metals, oxygen, compounds, pollen grains, dust particles, and different other things that are increasing. Photochemicals means nitrogen oxides, nitric oxides. Photochemical oxidants means solid and liquid particles that form the smoke. Means as you have seen in Karachi, when you move toward the Karachi, and there is a grassy haze, or we can say the sky colored layer around the Karachi city. That's the dust and humid condition. Dust and humid conditions, when collectively form a layer in the air, that's known as a smoke. And air pollution cause the acid rain, greenhouse effect, and action also. These are the few figure of air pollution, you can see, that cause the air pollution. Air pollution is very hazardous for the human being. Soon in future, it may destroy the human on acid rain. Acid rain is caused by the air pollution, because in atmosphere, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxides, yeah, sulfur oxides, and also many other gases that increase in atmosphere. When at the time of precipitation, or we can say the time of raining, sulfur oxides react with the water vapors that form the sulfuric acid. Nitric oxides react with the water that form the nitrous acid. Carbon dioxide react with the water that form the carbonic acids. So you can say acid rain directly affect on the human body, other organisms, because it may cause the skin cancer. And also it affect on the fruits also, it affect on the crops also, it affect on your decorating pieces, or we can say the statues. You can see here, this is the statue. One is normal, and after acid rain it become change into this one, you can see here another one. And this is a one type of deforestation also, yeah, due to the acid rain plantation destroy. And next one is a greenhouse effect, global warming that directly affect on the environmental temperature. And environmental temperature increase due to the carbon dioxide and methane. And carbon dioxide and methane is increasing day by day due to deforestation and increase of human population. because population increase, vehicles and industries increase, and also deforestation occur that may increase carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Sorry, carbon and methane, carbon dioxide and methane. Carbon dioxide and methane that absorb the sun radiations, because from the atmosphere about 45% radiations that can cross from the ozone and that reach on earth, from 2 to 3% that utilized by the autotrophic photosynthetic organisms. Remaining 40 to 42% sun rays again reverse back into the atmosphere, but nowadays due to the increase of carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere, earth is increasing, and temperature of earth is increasing day by day. That's why we are feeling very hot nowadays. You can see this is a this side you can see, means this is a normal with the plantation, and after plantation we are facing this type of situation, because carbon dioxide, when plant use, they release oxygen, carbon dioxide reduce, pollution reduce, or we can say the temperature reduce, means those areas where there is availability of vehicles, there is availability of different type of industries, you feel hot when we are moving toward the Rani Baga, we can say, or we are moving toward the grounds of public school, we can say. So there is a very cold area, there is a very much difference in between the temperature of those areas that are more populated, more industrial, having more vehicles availability than the normal planted area, or we can say villager areas. Village is more cold than the city area, as we can say, means when we are moving toward the Karachi, that's too much hot, or we can say the hot area, because that there is availability of industries, there is availability of vehicles, and number of plants are very less and minute in number. And you can see here how temperature is increasing from 2010 to 2019 and 1951 to 1978. Next one is ozone depletion. Ozone is protecting layer on the surface of Earth. Ozone is O3 layer, trioxide layer. Ozone protects us from the sun rays, hazardous radiations, ionizing radiations. It is present on the surface of Earth. It is responsible to absorb the radiations, means those radiations that cause mutation in human body, that is absorbed by the ozone. So means ozone disturbed by the help of CFC, chlorofluorocarbons. When disturbance in the ozone occur, that disturbance is known as the ozone depletion. In past, ozone depleted in Antarctica. Nowadays also there is availability of black hole, we can say. One type of hole is available, directly radiations are moving there. They are destroying the environmental conditions, also increasing the temperature and causing the melting of ice also. That's why floods occur, thunderstorms occur, level of water is increasing in the sea or oceans, we can say. CFC means chlorofluorocarbons, whatsoever you are using in home, especially aerosol spray, hand pumps, water pumps, or we can say especially electronic appliance, refrigerator, air conditions, all these things, they increase the temperature. There is a earth, we can say, around the earth there is availability of hole. From that hole, radiations directly reach on the surface of earth, that cause mutation, means that cause cancer, lip cleft, polydactyly, number of other genetics that transmit from parents to offspring. Another one is a water pollution. This is very, very dangerous problem for the earth. Nowadays you are facing this one, because in past we directly use the water of river, but nowadays we are unable to utilize the river water, because whatsoever we are emitting from the house in the form of gutter, in industries in the form of hot water, mercury water, different type of oil puzzing water, we put directly into the rivers, that water we cannot utilize because that possess contaminated substances that directly affect on our body, especially that cause cancer, yeah, different type of other carcinogenic mechanism inside the body. Water bodies includes the lakes, rivers, oceans, yeah, aquifers, groundwater. Nowadays we are using groundwater, but unfortunately groundwater is decreasing in the earth, and also polluted water we are facing, especially in Tata, Badin, and Mitti. People are unable to utilize the groundwater because that possesses zinc, or we can say the lead. That is a carcinogenic substance that cause the cancer. Source of water pollution is a domestic agriculture. We discuss one by one. Domestic, we can say whatsoever you are using in home, especially in the form of rinse, in the form of harpic, in the form of soap, in the form of shampoo, in the form of hand wash, in the form of different other things you are using in home. Directly we wash into the water, and water gutter lines, that gutter lines directly emit this into the river, or we can say, you can see the condition and situation how means we are contaminating the environmental conditions of aquatic environment, or we can say the aquatic habitats. And also we are using this one, means how we are disturbing atmosphere, how we are disturbing the means habitats, means this water we again use, we don't think that we are using this water. So next one is the industries. Industrial waste may be very toxic and corrosive, reactive, and that possess hot water, that possess carcinogenic substances that are very uh, problem creating materials, especially we are emitting into the water. You can see how we are drinking this water and how organisms they are surviving in this water. You can see the situation and condition of this one. Means in past near about means so much notice of Supreme Court. Nowadays these industries in past they put directly into the river or into the sea and ocean. We drink that water also, but now these industries put into the grounds, and that's why the groundwater is contaminated day by day. Agriculture is also, means agriculture itself is a beneficial for us because we are getting the crops, but whatsoever we are spraying on from the insects, that are the insecticides, pesticides, or we can say the fungicides, or we can say the, and also many fertilizers, agro urea, kisan urea, yeah, different type of other chemicals we are using here. That chemicals directly affect on the human body also, and also that vegetables we are utilizing that may cause the cancer. And also these chemical substances that put into the water, the organisms they are living in water that affected by is like fish, is like the frogs, is like other small insects that affected by this one. You can see here how people they are spraying the insecticides and pesticides. You can see here this is a agriculture contamination. And last one is a land pollution. Land pollution is the deterioration, destruction of earth's land surface, often directly or indirectly as a result of man's activities in their misuse of resources. You can see how we are using the plastic bags, how we are using, it's very very dangerous and critical situation of our earth. We are using the plastic bags because plastic bags cannot decompose by nature. If nature cannot decompose this one, means that directly effect on the aquatic organisms if they eat, or directly effect on the other organisms is like the innocent wild organisms that eat these type of materials, but they cannot digest it because this is a non-renewable, or we can say this is a cannot recycle, cannot by the environment. So thank you very much.